Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am boxing up a happy mail for Shannon. She is a fellow Canadian paper crafter, and her handle is Merlin'S CA. This is a happy mail that I have put together for a giveaway challenge that she has done. There are just 3 things that she asks for, and she gives you a whole bunch of different collections to work with and or projects to create. And one of the things was a little mini album. So I know from watching a previous video that she actually really loved the All Heart collection, but wasn't able to craft with it at all. So I thought I would craft with it for her giveaway challenge. And I will leave the details below. If you're watching this and there's still time to enter, it just needed to be postmarked before November 1st to be able to play along. And I thought it would be really wonderful to reach out to a fellow Canadian paper crafter. It's so nice to find people within your own country, and so yes, I've created this for her. Here is just a little gift that I have given her. I have made this tassel, and it's got some cute little charms on there, little butterfly and pineapple, and I've just wrapped it up in some tissue paper. So I've put this little box together here, and I'm going to start with this down here. I planned ahead to make sure everything fit okay. And this that. The second thing that I created for her is a 3D project. So I have created one of these gorgeous little tote bags that Kristianne has a tutorial for. I can leave it down below as well. And inside here, I have created a fun set of little embellishments and projects. So I've wrapped it up in some tulle. I've created this little shaker pocket and this fun little embellishment shaker pocket as well. There's a third shaker pocket there. This is a die where it's just like a die cut that I have created for her. She can take that out and use it on a card or something. And then I've made this little flip book with a tutorial that I found on PaperStrawberryz channel. She's the most amazing little flip book tutorial YouTuber out there. She always posts new content, and it's always simple and easy to follow. And I actually just crafted right along with her YouTube video when I made this. I just took out a single piece of paper, and then I've gifted her all sorts of different tags and ephemera inside this little pack here. So I'm just going to put this back together and tuck it back inside here. I'll put that last one in separately just because I've got this all together, and it'll just tuck in the back. So this isn't all completely All Heart. The main collection is All Heart, but I have brought in other products. This is my latest charm from BB Craft. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. I just love this clear and sparkly, yummy looking sweet on there. It goes perfect with that. This you'll see coming up in the next gift that I have given her. This is the little set of hearts that I am so thankful that I found, and this is what I have created for her here. These are the hearts. I'll show you what they looked like. They came in a Dollarama haul that I posted, and I can link that for you here. But this is unbelievable. There were all kinds of different shapes and sizes of these gorgeous embellishments, and I like, so there's one there just kind of tucked away. And here's sort of a closer look up. So I've gifted her a set of 3 of those. I've hand created some punched butterfly 2-step vellum and paper from All Heart underneath. And then this is a little Hershey's treat. It goes perfect in flat mail because it's a really nice thin chocolate bar. And then this, I created this gorgeous little pocket with this fun honeycomb die from Globeland. And yeah, I just made a shaker pocket out of a pocket page. And this is what I've put together in a little happy mail here for her. Go like all together like that, just peeking out a little bit so you can see just a little bit. Oh, actually, I think one of my butterflies is tucked away in there. I can see. Oh, we got a butterfly stuck in there. I was like, why won't this go down properly? And there's a little sequin too. Okay. This gorgeous little charm on there. I love this. No one is you. That is your power. And it says shine, girl power. So I love these iridescent pieces here with the All Heart collection. There we go there. And that. Fit. Just making sure I've got this in here the best way possible. I don't want this to get bent, so it might be best to do it this way. Aha. That's nice. Okay, so that's good there. I'm just going to add my shred, and I've got some like pom-poms and things already built in. I've got some fun sequins and pom-poms, and this is going to add like a gorgeous little pop of color and shine and texture. Tuck down in there, so it's all very well protected. I have her card that I've created, and that will go on top. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I do all sorts of happy mail. I do scrapbooks, cards, projects, unboxings, you name it. Very paper crafty, and that's the focus of my channel. But I also subscribe to a couple of different subscription boxes. I'll unbox those sometimes, like FabFitFun's one of my favorite. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.